today that we showed Manorama Tripathi, we showed Sushant Panigrahi, we showed the administration that the CPO manual cannot curb the strength of this union, your suspension, your CPO manual, your out of bounds order mean nothing to us. Without taking the mandate of the stakeholders, without taking the mandate of the student community, if you want to sell our data to Jindal, if you want to sell our data to law enforcement agencies, if you want to criminalize dissent here, if you want to criminalize the fact that we are asking for our right to education, then this university has a legacy of progressive struggles, and we won't let any administration, be that of RSS, to control student life here, to curb our independence from our campus, from our central library. When we had gone to meet Manorama Tripathi, we had asked her, when you had promised to the last union that a committee will be formed, deliberation will be sought from all of the stakeholders, then where is the recommendation, where is the minutes of that committee? And she said that the committee has decided, the competent authority has decided that facial recognition technology will be installed in front of our doors. Then the union asked her, who are the stakeholders? Who are the primary stakeholders? The books here, the infrastructure here, Manorama Tripathi, Panigrahi and all of the staff here are only here because of the students, to facilitate the students, and students are the primary stakeholders, and without our decision, without our mandate, no surveillance system will be installed. And today, the union and the students have shown them that no such system will be installed as long as students are here. We will decide what is happening. And Manorama Tripathi and the administration is trying to sell us this narrative of outsiders. When Modi, in rally after rally, makes us believe that the outsiders are to be fearful, Manorama Tripathi is using the same language of the Sangh Parivar and saying that there are illegal outsiders who are coming and studying in this campus. Only because of them, your seats are not available. Only because of that, the bona fide students of this campus are not getting seats. Then we asked her, who are these illegal students? These illegal students are students like you and me, who after bachelors are preparing for masters, who after masters are preparing for PhD, who after PhD are preparing for Viva. And they said that these are illegal students, all the protesters are illegal students. Then few days after that, Manorama sends out a mail to each and every student you can check in your inbox. In that, she's saying that 2 to 3 months of extension will be given after your formal studentship for these students who have completed masters and for these students who have completed PhD. The same students she was calling illegal, she's compelling them that if you register for this FRT, then I will give you studentship. Then where is her seating increasing? What happens to the seating capacity? Is she giving any assurance? So this paradox, this hoax, this lies, these narratives and this agenda, today we have defeated that. And revolutionary greetings to the united strength of the student body, that today we were able to show them. We were able to show them that this is not an Agrahara. This is not an Agrahara of Tripathi. This is not the dictatorship of Hitler. Students will decide. The democratic processes will decide. And today we have decided, without our mandate, no system will be installed here. Inqilab Zindabad. Jai Bhim. Lal Salam.
साथियों, आप सभी को मेरा